What is up, everyone? RF Discern here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the Babymario and B Dasher Mario Kart from the Hot Wheels Mario Kart series. As you can see on the front, you do have that Baby Mario icon there. He's waving hi there. Looks pretty cute. Oh yeah, there's Mario itself and the card. Let's take a look at the back. Of course, we did a review about the Princess Daisy and light blue Yoshi before this. And yeah, this time we'll be reviewing the B Dasher. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is quite tough to get. When I checked the other stores, it did not have it until I reached this store that had two of them, but I picked only one, of course. I left the second one at the shelf itself, that other people would find the B Dasher. And honestly, this looks pretty cute. I mean, not only the Baby Mario looks very cute, the B Dasher is pretty nice. It's as good as the Mach 8 that we get from Luigi before this. So starting off, you do have that Baby Mario, of course, in the seat there. He looks pretty cute. He's very cute in there, Baby Mario. Then you have that screw there if you want to open him up. There's the there's the Mario logo. And you have that red stripe. I don't remember playing this, using this card in Mario Kart. I'm not sure which Mario Kart had this. Maybe Mario Kart 7 or Mario Kart 8. I'm not sure. Then you do have the silver base. Gray base metal, as well as the white body part, which is also metal. That made me surprised, not like the Wild Wing, which has the metal base only. Only this part is plastic because of the, the exhaust at the back. And honestly, it looks pretty good. At the base, you do have made in Thailand. 2018 Mattel B Dasher. Overall, pretty nice cart. If you want to collect this, maybe just for Baby Mario and maybe switching it to other cards, maybe you could. But for now, I'm sticking Baby Mario, of course, with the B Dasher itself. And yeah, honestly, it looks pretty cute. And the fact that the base and the body itself is metal makes it kind of worth. And yeah, there you go. That was the Mario Kart B Dasher and Baby Mario. And once again, thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do leave a like on this video. See you soon. Bye bye.